Welcome to my channel. How to increase Wi-Fi speed on Netgear Nighthawk routers up to 1300 megabits per second. 1. Put the router in the right spot. Avoid placing the device in the corner or under the TV. The signal might get hindered because of thick walls, metal, and even fish tanks. Put it somewhere central and on a higher shelf. 2. Use the right Wi-Fi band. Your router gives you 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. If you want actual speed, connect to 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz is okay for range, but it's slower. 3. Log in to the router settings. Type routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 in your browser. Log in with your admin details. If you never changed it, the default credentials are admin and password. You can change the credentials later, if you haven't till now. 4. Check the channel width. In wireless settings, make sure the 5 GHz band is set to 80 MHz. That's where you unlock the higher speeds. 5. Make sure you're on the right Wi-Fi mode. Look for 802.11 AC or Wi-Fi 5 in the settings. If it's stuck on old modes like B, G, or N, you're not getting those top speeds. 6. Update the firmware. Don't skip this step. Go to Administration, Firmware Update, and check if there's a new version. Updates often fix speed and stability problems. 7. Fix interference from neighbors. If you live in an apartment, your Wi-Fi channels are probably crowded. Switch channels manually until you find one that works better. Apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer can help you see which ones are less busy. 8. Use Ethernet where it matters. If you've got a gaming PC, a console, or a smart TV that doesn't move, plug it in with a cable. Wired speeds are always better than wireless. 9. Check your devices. Sometimes the router isn't the problem, it's the device. Old laptops and phones can't handle speeds above 300 or 400 megabits per second. Newer devices with Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6 will take full advantage. 10. Test the speed the right way. Stand near the router, connect to 5 GHz, and run a speed test. Also, remember, your ISP package matters. If you're only paying for 500 megabits per second, you won't be receiving 1300. 11. Try advanced features. Enable MIMO from the settings, if your router supports it. Turn on COS and prioritize the devices that need it most, like your gaming rig or streaming box. 12. Disable legacy modes if you can. If you don't use old devices anymore, turn off the B-program compatibility. That way, the router focuses only on the faster standards. Thanks for watching.